Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the series. As part of our Python programming series, we are with a new video, program 3. Basically, we completed two programs. We are in the third program. Clear? We are in a third program. We are given with two numbers. So read the question, write a Python program to read two numbers. What is the input? We'll take two numbers and print whether first value is greater than second value. First value greater than second value. True or false. First value greater than second value. For example, if first value is 5 and second value is 2, 5 greater than 2, true. 5 greater than 2, true. Correct. What if 2 greater than 3? False. So we should print basically true or false. True or false. Am I correct? True or false. What is the input? Two numbers. What is the output? True or false. And what is the method? How you will tell first value is greater than second value or not. First value is greater than second value or not. For this, we have one comparison operator. Name of the operator is greater than. Greater than. Clear? So, see what is the input? Two numbers. Two numbers. Computer, we cannot take two numbers, right? In Python programming language or any programming language, we cannot directly take two numbers. We should store somewhere to use it. To use in future, we need to store somewhere. Let the variable names be this time x comma y. Before it was a comma b in previous video. Let this time it will be x comma y or your name and my name. My name and your name, anything is fine. Okay, for simplicity purpose I am using x comma y. Type, right? If I keep a 30 digit name, for example, if I keep a b c d e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u v w, that much big name I should type, right? Every time it's very big, so that keep 1 minute, keep small, small as possible and meaningful, or else keep number one, number two, like this, anything whatever is good. And output, we should print true or false. True or false, both cannot be possible, right, at a time. True or false, either true or false. In this both one should be possible. Next, what is the process? We should check a greater than b or else x greater than y. Yeah, am I correct? So first we'll write in English what we understood. First, right, input, method, output. These three steps we need to write. Input, read a comma b values. Array, see, I'm getting a comma b because I was habituated with a comma b only. Whenever I got two numbers, I will write a comma b only because alphabet starting with ab, so that I will use ab. For simplicity, this time we are using x comma y. Read x comma y. Next, method. What is the method? Some a greater than b. See, again a comma b only I am getting. X greater than y. Why? Because from number of days, whenever I got this problem, I will use a comma b only, so that I am getting a comma b as my memory is telling a comma b. In my memory, it's stored as a comma b when two integers, so it is telling a comma b. Now, I need to store this result, right, either true or false. So some variable c or else z, anything, whatever fine for you. Next, output, I need to print, I need to print c. I need to print c. Am I correct? This is the pseudocode or English high level code, just for human understanding. Human to understand, we are writing this code. Now, if I write Python programming language, x is equals to int of input of. Why? Because we are reading an integer. Clear? X is equals to int of input of. Next, y is equals to int of input of. Why? Because it's a number, so that reading it as an integer. Next, what is the method? C is equals to x greater than y. First value greater than second value. If it is greater than, C will store true or else false. Right? Comparison operator, what it will return, true or false. Next, we should print C. Correct. We should print C. That's all. The program is very small. It is clear. Now let's execute it and let us check will it execute perfect or not. I am using online GDB compiler. This one I am telling in every video. I think because some people are new, right? They will be following from this video, so that I am telling this. First, some x is equals to int of input of. Okay. Next, y is equals to int of input of. Next, c, some c is equals to x greater than y. C is equals to x greater than y. C is equals to x greater than y. 1 minute. C is equals to x greater than y. Then print y. Sorry, print c, right? We should print the result. Let's check. 2, enter 3. 2 greater than 3. True or false? False, right? Why? Because 2 is less than 3. So that we are getting false. 2 greater than 3 is false. If I run again, 3 and 2. Now 3 is greater than 2, so that it will become true. it will become true. Next, see this, 3 and 3, 3 greater than 3 is false, so that it will tell false. Okay, this is the program, but to make it user understandable or some beautiful, so let make the program. Enter the number 1. Next, in the second row, enter the number enter the number 2. Next, in the result, number 1 is greater than number 2. Now let's see how beautiful. See, first we are asking what happened. So here comma, we should keep comma. It is telling that in print I am getting invalid syntax. Why? Because this is a string and this is C is a integer. How can I read this? How can I read this? It is scolding me indirectly. You did some mistake. Please make it good. Computer understandable. Now see, it is not telling any problem. Now it is asking, please enter the number 1. First number is 3 and second number is 2. Second number is 2. Now let's see, enter. Number 1 is greater than number 2. True. Number 1 is greater than number 2. True. Now for example, if I give number 1 as 2 and number 2 as 3, now it is telling number 1 is greater than number 2. False. How good it is. So that try to please maintain some English statements in the code. The readability of the code will be very good. For example, if some X person, your friend will come to read this program. Now how it is, how good it is, easy able to understand easily, right? Before, he don't know why he is entering a number, what the input, what is the result he is getting. So that please maintain these English statements. Without English statements also code is correct. If you write English statements, it is easily understandable. Clear? I hope you understood this video, and thank you for watching. If you really like this video, please give me a small comment. Okay guys, meet you in the next video.